In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rocket Money to lower your bills. Navigating the world of bill payments and subscriptions can sometimes feel overwhelming, but Rocket Money provides a streamlined way to manage everything in one place. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can handle your recurring expenses effortlessly while potentially saving money. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Rocket Money website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in, so go ahead and click on that. Signing in is essential as it ensures that all the subsequent steps are tailored to your specific account and financial setup. Once logged in, you'll reach the Rocket Money dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access all your financial data, track spending, and of course, manage your bills. On the dashboard, look for the tab labeled Recurring and click on it. This section is dedicated to all things related to recurring payments, subscriptions, memberships, anything that regularly takes a bit out of your account. After clicking on Recurring, a sub-tab titled Upcoming will appear. Go ahead and click on Upcoming to get a glimpse of your future payments. This overview is incredibly helpful as it provides insight into what expenses you can expect, helping you plan accordingly. Now comes the exciting part, lowering your bills. You'll find an option marked Lower My Bills. Click on this and you'll be set on a path to see if you can save some money. Rocket Money assists you by negotiating service costs on your behalf, aiming to reduce how much you pay each month. To begin this process, click on Get Started. Here, you'll be prompted to find your service provider from a list. This might include your internet company, phone provider, or any other service you have regular payments with. Once you've picked your provider, it's time to log in with your account details. This step is crucial as it permits Rocket Money to access the payment information needed for negotiation. If you're concerned about security, rest assured that Rocket Money uses secure protocols to keep your data safe. In the event you don't have your account credentials handy, there's an alternative option to upload your bill directly to the site. This is a handy feature as it allows Rocket Money to still negotiate on your behalf by assessing your bill details. As you follow these steps, keep in mind that patience is key. Negotiations can take a bit of time, but the payoff is worth every moment. Rocket Money's team will handle the heavy lifting, and if successful, you'll receive a notification detailing how much you've saved. With these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage and potentially reduce your bills with Rocket Money. Make sure to check back into your dashboard periodically to see your savings and stay on top of upcoming payments. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in simplifying your financial management.